So yesterday I decided to build a raised garden. Why? Because my dog, which is a golden retriever, loves to dig my old garden. As you can see. Now, some of the things you're going to need to build a raised garden are bricks. I've got a whole heap there. You're also going to need a lot of this stuff. Soil. And I've already made a start. I started last night and continued this morning. Now I'm not a professional, but what I did do was dig a 1 centimeter hole, lined in all the bricks, lined them up, made sure they were all nice and straight. Ta-da. And then I laid dry cement on the bottom, on the ground directly, which I heard is meant to lock it in, make it really solid foundation there. And as you may have seen, I have put in a whole heap of dirt just to lock it in there and make it more solid, make it stronger. This is only the first level. I'm going up 2 levels, not 3. If you got 3 levels, you're going to need rebar, whatever it is. And I live in the mountains. My ground is mainly rock, so it's a little hard to dig in some rebar. But that's part 1. In about half an hour, I'm going to put the second layer on. Just want to give it time to lock in nice and solid there. Also, you're going to need, well, I have cement. Yeah, brought it in Japan. That's where I live. The cement, the guy at the home centre said to use cement. I'm not too sure about that. I would have used mortar, but oh well, I'm using cement and it seems to do the job pretty well, so why not, eh? This, a level, it's kind of important. And that's about it for now. So that's part 1. I'll let you know how everything's going for part 2. Ciao!